Alright, we're back. We found it. He probably flung it too. He flung it all the way in the back there, almost all the way to the wall. Behind those big tall sockets you can't see. Alright. Are you done playing now? We got work to do.
Oil pump bodies, oil pumps, oil pumps.
We're done with oil pumps.
Shit, there's a bag in the hole.
Why you bought 4 oil
There's a
pumps?
bag in the hole, you hear that?
A hole in my baggie?
Wonder how much of that stuff I'm missing.
I don't know. Hard to get good help.
Man, that almost looks like...
We used to have a place to put these.
Is that supposed to be for both sets, Keenan?
I don't know what you're talking about.
This 90490A.
What the hell's that?
Gasket set.
Oh, dumbass.
S&S rocker boxes.
S&S rocker boxes. Okay, what about them?
Hardware rocker cover die cast.
You would think it'd come with whatever you needed inside the package, yeah. I would hope so. I assume you're talking about gasket sets.
Not gasket.
I didn't drop that. That was somebody else. The guy in the video did that, I saw him. Alright, rear one. That'd be this one. This one's the rear one. It goes on the rear. Did you know that? That means this one must be the front one. The way you tell them apart is this one's more trapezoidal look. This one's more square looking. That's how you tell them apart. That's assuming your peepers work. Do your peepers work?
It's missing a pretty good amount of
There's
hardware.
oil. There's oil. Did I do that right? Good.
Matter of fact, I just stumbled across one of your videos.
I've done these before. Did I lubricate them left correctly? So now you're supposed to use that vacuum packer thing. Did you do that? You didn't do that?
I'm not using any vacuum.
We didn't do the vacuum packing thing? Am I turning it the right direction when I'm doing this? And make sure you don't turn it the wrong direction.
Don't turn it the wrong direction, please.
There's an arrow on there somewhere. Did you see the arrow? Good.
Just zoom in. There it is right there. Boom. It just went by.
The orange dot's up, right?
You trying to match orange with blue?
Sure.
These were the originals off that engine.
Pretty technical. How you do that? Those are aluminum. These don't go in there with the shit.
You didn't get enough oil.
Doesn't fit. It's not even one I drop either. I dropped the front one. problem. There goes. Burrs in there somewhere. No, it works.
Didn't like that little bird, did it?
It had some kind of a burr in there, a little rug rat in there or something. I got oil on the outside, it's like my fingers are full of oil. Where's that rag out there?
Here.
Ew.
This rag is not dirty. Stop. I brought this fresh out of the washing machine.
Yeah, but the wash feed doesn't work. Okay. Which one's this one?
Rear.
Rear. Goes in the rear? Is this the rear? Now, if you do it quickly, you just drop it in.
Mm-hmm.
The hole's not light up. This one I dropped, that's why they don't fit.
I've got the tool, the dowel pins to line them up. I noticed you don't use them.
What tool? Maybe this is the one I dropped. Someone won't go in either. So one hole it doesn't like on both of these. I don't know what the deal is. Turn them on.
Got to go from the top, ream it through. Get
Pretty
it.
much.
Brand new S&S lifters, faulty from the
Damn, that won't even begin to go in that one.
manufacturer.
Does not like that one at all. Damn, that one is tight.
We've used quality high lift Johnson lifters, which are just absolutely flawless,
Ah, geez.
and the S&S blocks are garbage.
Damn,
That fucking sucks.
he doesn't like me. That thing is way too. See, that one got through it. I'm trying to figure out what the tight spot is in there, but there's a big black spot up inside of there. I don't know if you can see it.
You got a fucking reamer?
Well, I'm not sure what the big black spot is. A big piece of corrosion in there or what? It's an oil gallery.
Probably got a fucking hook on that galley.
I'm assuming that's a gallery. It doesn't go through. Where the fuck's it coming through? There's a hole over there on either side, so yeah. It's right in there where the oil holes are at. I don't know if you can see it. Hard to see. Yeah. The holes aren't deburred.
And here we have the originals that are off that motor, which would probably work perfectly.
Did you hear it pop past it?
Yep. And then I have another set of factories that would probably work perfectly.
Mm-hmm. Probably.
And yet, in one of my other boxes, I have another set
Don't
of
put your
factories.
finger between the bias and the all-fitting parts. Yeah, it's got some tightness in there.
Wow, it's grabbing a little bit too.
Yeah, it's taking. Once it's in there, it's free. It's just right getting it in there. Undo the vise. It's just getting it past the hole, because the hole's in the middle of the void where it doesn't matter, but you just got to get it past it is the problem. Except
That's
that
odd.
one.
I've never seen them do that.
That one's really tight there. garbage. Ah, there's my thumb. Oh well, this is just.
Well, we got it on video. If it seizes and freezes up my bike, I can sue S&S and we have the whole thing on video.
How does that help that? You're the dumbass and put it together that way?
Should we run a ball through it? Ball into it?
I'm gonna hone it.
Huh?
I'm gonna hone it. This is going through this direction now. It's got to work the high spot off. It's just got a big burr on it or something. Yeah, this way just doesn't go. Just not very or made very good. Garbage.
Popping so many of them out.
I've never had one like that before.
A little quality. You remember having one like that?
No, I've never had one like that before.
Hey, you know what? Can we just throw these in the fucking sandblaster? If they're fucking shitty, I'll just put these in.
No, I just need to knock the burr off.
Because there's nothing wrong with these. These are the originals that came off that block.
No, these are fine.
They're super dirty.
Let's give it a hold. Alright, put the camera off and bring it over here.
What are we doing over here?
Knock off the burr. Definitely feeling that one. Can't see it, I bet, but you can sure feel it. It's in there. Shouldn't have to do that on brand new parts, but oh well, that's what it is. Alright, we'll go clean this up. We'll be back.